Hi, my name is Chinmay and I do a lot of stuff. If you are here to watch my first video, I suppose that you are all of my friends and families. It is high time I start YouTube full time because I quit my job firstly. Secondly, I started freelancing. Thirdly, I run an agency. But if I want to continue in the content space for a very long time, it is very high time that I start YouTube because I should have a base where I document everything that I do in my life, right? Yeah, this is officially my first video. Today is 12th of May. Okay. I am aiming to upload somewhere around 2 to 3 videos per week. While I document everything that I do, it will be very raw and I'll just be doing it for fun so that I can come back to these videos and watch them again. Just for starters and introduction, I do a lot of things. I do social media management, I do content, I do personal branding. I am running a service where I give personal branding services to online fitness coaches or online coaches in general. Other than that, I am also pursuing fitness for my own personal goals, right? I want to get in a good shape, I want to build a good endurance, and I want to build great stamina. Documenting all of that, I'm going to do YouTube. चलो ठीक है, देखते हैं फिर ये कैसा जर्नी होगा. अभी के लिए तो I have had my pre-workout meal and my pre-workout drink. I am going to the gym. Let's see gym कैसा होता है. So the whole point of vlogging is कि मैं after a year or so when I'm doing good in my life in the agency and documentation journey, I'll have these videos to look at और ज़्यादा content मिलेगा B-rolls के नाम पे use करने के लिए. In the freelance journey, the worst part is कि you are always working. If you are self-employed, 24/7 you'll have something or the other that will come up on WhatsApp or any other thing. So right now even I'm at the gym. I have messages from my editor, messages from my client that I need to cater to. Also I record on the DJI Pocket 3. इसमें ट्रैक हेल्प होता है बहुत ज़्यादा, तो मेरे को किसी और का ज़रूरत नहीं है टू रिकॉर्ड माई वीडियोस. मैं आज जिम में आया हूँ लाइक 7 दिन के ब्रेक के बाद. आई वॉज कमिंग रेगुलरली टू जिम और फिर एक ब्रेक हो गया बीच में. तो अभी हम अनश्योर कि मैं कौन सा वर्कआउट हिट करूँ. प्रीवियसली आई वॉज फॉलोइंग पुश पुल लेग्स एंड देन ये 7 दिन का ब्रेक आ गया. And I was starting with a muscle directly would give me more fatigue. So I am thinking of doing a full body workout जिसमें मैं सारे muscles के एक variations कर लूँ. So I'm not going very heavy on these because again 7 दिन के break के बाद कर रहा हूँ. I don't know why I feel lazy and energetic at the same time in the gym. 15. I usually bring this magic clamp to the gym, but आज ही भूल गया हूँ. That allows me to clamp my camera anywhere. Angle का कोई issue नहीं होता. Today I have to be relying on the tripod जो DJI के साथ आता है, and it is very small. like अगर नीचे रख दूँ तो lower angles आता है. This is a very nice angle. Yeah bro, crazy angle. Clarity भी मस्त है. I don't know what should I hit. 50. 50 would be good enough. Four, 5, 7, 8. Done with the chest dumbbell press. अभी करना है lat pull downs. Going to the gym is just funny because every set के बाद तुम tired हो जाते हो. Then one part of your brain is telling you to stop. Other part of your brain is just asking you to keep going till failure. And even after coming to the gym after 7 days, I feel like I should go and hit the weight that I did in the last set of workout. But I should not do it because already I'm suffering from 2-3 injuries. I do not want to add another 2-3. Yep. When you come to the gym after a long break, the pump is insane. Any variation you do, even the lightest of weight, gives you a crazy pump. I can feel it now. Fuck. Am I going bald? Why is it capturing that so clearly? No, I keep music ना तो उसमें बिना वो हो जाता है. I lost a lot of muscle.
You didn't come to the
I stopped coming for अभी तो फिर उसके पहले भी अच्छा खासा लॉस हो गया.
diet.
Sorry,
You're not getting the protein.
bro, I never follow that.
You're not eating.
I go home and I eat dal bhat.
कुछ भी खाया। तो मतलब ऐसा प्रोटीन रिच भी नहीं है तेरा खाना।
ऐसा नहीं है, आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मीट एंड एग्स एट होम, बट ऐसा स्पेसिफिक नहीं कि मेरे को दिन में 100 ग्राम 50 ग्राम प्रोटीन चाहिए, मिला तो ठीक है, नहीं मिला तो भी ठीक है। ऐसा
कभी भी उसका बल्क कट नहीं किया है।
नो,
नहीं उसमें बहुत सारे क्रेडिट जेनेटिक्स को है, तो you
या
never have to follow
कोई भी
that.
मेरे को पूछता है यार वो किसी का है, इवेंचुअली पॉइंट टू माय
It
जेनेटिक्स,
does. If you not like see, it's not that your
But it is
physique is
also-
unattainable, but for most people, तेरे physique को अचीव के लिए उनको बहुत सारा डाइट।
bro, I've been doing it for years now अभी,
हाँ।
मैंने तो 6-7 years I've been working out, so 6-7 years में मेरे जितना पहुंचना is very easy, even if तू नहीं खा रहा है।
No, you're 5% bro. Staying in this 5% for some people is a task.
Yeah. This is what a day in a life looks like of a freelancer. Invoices, contracts, and then you have to work out with that. Bro, I vlogged for what around 6 minutes और मैंने mic चालू नहीं रखा था. So I walked. I did a good full body workout. Legs का ज़्यादा नहीं किया. Eventually सब muscles का मैंने एक set ही किया. And then I stopped. I'll have to go home in 5 p.m. I have a call. वो कॉल के लिए मेरे को भागना है.
I do with this. I can make a talking head video. ठीक है. I can make a carousel now. Right. And if life doesn't change, then we are.
It is so funny कि I am very confident with camera. मेरे को कैमरा में बोलने है, पब्लिक में रिकॉर्ड करना है. I'm not very shy. I am kind of an extroverted guy, right? But today I was vlogging in the public for the first time, like in a closed atmosphere. एंड आई एम ब्लॉगिंग अलोन, राइट. इसके पहले अगर मैंने किया है तो मैं किसी फ्रेंड से बात कर रहा हूँ या फिर मेरे आसपास मेरे जान पहचान के लोग हैं, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई वॉज काइंड ऑफ ऑकवर्ड. मैं कभी माइक चालू नहीं कर रहा था, मैं कभी बोल ही नहीं रहा था. आई वॉज जस्ट रिकॉर्डिंग एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट फन. इसमें मैं बहुत ज़्यादा गलती करूँगा, बहुत ज़्यादा सीखूंगा एंड इवेंचुअली आई विल गेट बेटर विद इट, बिकॉज अगर तुम गलती करोगे तो ही सीखोगे. दैट इज़ वन. एंड सेकेंड, इट इज़ अ लॉट फन बिकॉज इसमें वाइल ब्लॉगिंग आई गेट टू रिकॉर्ड मोस्ट स्टफ एंड कीप इट इन द वीडियो, राइट. इसके पहले मैं पूरा दिन रिकॉर्ड करता था, पूरा वर्कआउट्स रिकॉर्ड करता था, बट इन माई शॉर्ट फॉर्म वीडियो बस बी रोल जाते थे 1-2 सेकंड के. बट इन दिस आई कैन कीप इट एज लॉन्ग एज आई वॉन्ट एंड पीपल कैन वॉच इट एज लॉन्ग एज दे वॉन्ट, राइट. अगर उनको 2 मिनट देखना है तो देखे, बट आई विल हैव दिस एंटायर थिंग सेव्ड ऑन यूट्यूब, सो दैट इज़ अ प्लस फॉर मी. अगर मेरे को कभी चाहिए तो आई कैन डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड इट फ्रॉम यूट्यूब एंड यूज़, राइट, बिकॉज उसमें अच्छी क्वालिटी जाती है. So that is another plus. Also, yesterday I watched a video by Sanko on Instagram that he watches a lot of YouTubers who are foreign and who are doing their thing and they have got now really big numbers doing whatever they do, right. कोई कॉलेज में जाके, कोई बिजनेस बना के, कोई travel करके, and they are having millions and 2 millions and 3 millions of subscribers and hundreds of millions of subscribers, right. The way he mentioned that no one from India is doing that, and yeah, there are a lot of people, but not one of them or not many of them are on the global stage doing that, right. So that like felt a spark. Like eventually जब हमने ये content game start करा था, so most of us wanted to be YouTubers, right. तभी ये reels वाला game तो नहीं था. Like basically 8 years ago there was no reels, right. People used to make dub smash and other things. So most of them like had dreams and goals to become a YouTuber. But now I am at a spot in my life where I can start YouTube and do it as full time, right. The only thing I need to focus on is quality and what I am going to show it to the audience. So that is going to be obviously vlogging because I do not have a lot of action in my life to show, right. Like I have, but that is in the business sense and I cannot actually share what I'm doing in my business wise. So yeah, I think whatever happens for good. Everything happens for a reason. That is literally on my wallpaper here. So I'll be documenting and doing YouTube for a long time and consistently because core sapna to wahi tha, core dream to wahi tha. Let's see, this was day 1. I hope you liked it. I am setting this vlog down here because मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ ऐड नहीं करना फर्स्ट वीडियो में. If you think this is good and you like it, please make sure you subscribe and come back to watch my another video tomorrow or day after tomorrow or maybe 3-4 days later, I don't know. But I'll try to keep like at least 2 videos a week to make consistency my main goal and also document a lot of things, right. I go to gym every day. Might if I'm able to edit these videos in a fast way, somehow I'll try to do this a daily thing, but फिर वो ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम हो जाएगा, चल भी जाएगा. I don't know यार. Let's see. First video तो कर लिया है. Let me upload this and then I'll start doing it every day. Peace.